How to find faults in electrical lighting circuits. Faults can happen in many ways, including corroded and loose connections, a blown fuse, or a faulty relay or sensor. A good fault-finding tool is a digital volt ohm meter (DVOM), which allows you to test continuity in more complex faults. A scope is better for more advanced fault finding. To begin, isolate the circuit parts and check for possible sources of fault. If there is no visible cause, the problem is probably in a motor. If the motor has blown a fuse, it may be an electrical fault. Then, isolate the cause of the malfunction. Then, check the circuit parts for any possible damage. Fault-finding electrical lighting circuits is easy. Here are some common methods. Fault-detecting devices can be used to pinpoint which circuit is causing the problem. The main safety switch turns on electricity throughout the home. Circuit breakers control the power and light in a given home. Faults in the circuit can be caused by several causes, such as a faulty circuit or a dampened area. To troubleshoot an electrical lighting problem, identify the faulty circuit and isolate it. If you suspect an electrical fault, first check the wiring. A good electrical fault can be difficult to isolate, but West Cork has the knowledge and high-tech equipment to help you find the issue. Check for burned light bulbs, broken wires, or a loose connection. If all else fails, you should contact a qualified electrician or a service provider. If a light bulb is burnt, try checking a broken wire or a circuit breaker. Electricity safety authorities define fault finding as testing the operation of electrical equipment and components without altering them. A Class 1 license is required for this. This license entitles a person to perform work that involves using fault-finding equipment and disconnection and reconnection of electrical wiring. This endorsement also allows workers to insert current shunts into series with other components and bypassing controls. This can be a vital method for finding faults in electrical lighting circuits. An ohmmeter measures resistance in a circuit. It can identify short circuits, open coils, and burned-out light bulbs. To use the ohmmeter, power must be disconnected to the circuit. Before measuring the resistance, connect the leads of the meter to verify that the meter is working properly. Make sure the leads of the meter are connected in parallel. You can then use a continuity tester to determine the faulty circuit.